simultaneous equations where one of the equations is linear and the other one is quadratic. And we can't use the method that we would use for two linear equations. We can't just try to multiply either or both of the equations by something and then add or subtract. It doesn't work. What we have to do is take the linear equation and write the linear equation so that one of the letters is the subject. Now, the easiest way to do that is to make y the subject. So first of all, I'm going to add y to both sides. If I add y to the left of my equation, I've got 2x. If I add y to the right, that's going to be y plus 7. And if I now subtract 7 from both sides, the left side becomes 2x minus 7. The right side is y. So y is equal to 2x minus 7. What I now do is I substitute that into the other equation. Now, the other equation says that x squared plus y squared is 34. And I'm going to replace y here with 2x minus 7, which gives me x squared plus 2x minus 7 squared is equal to 34. Right, let's remove the brackets. So x squared plus, removing the brackets, remember if you square, it's 2x minus 7 multiplied by another 2x minus 7, and that's equal to 34. So now we've got x squared plus, so we've got 2x times 2x, well that's 4x squared, minus 14x, minus another 14x, and then minus 7 times minus 7 is plus 49, and that's equal to 34. Let's just tidy it up and make it into a proper quadratic equation. We've got 5x squared minus 28x, and now 49 take away 34, that just comes out as 15. So there's our quadratic equation. Now I think I should be able to factorize that fairly easily. You could use the crisscross method or any other method that you've been taught. Okay, I'm going to start here with 5x and here with x, and I know that I need to make 15 from these two numbers multiplied together. Let's put 3 there and 5 there. So we've got 25x from those two, 3x from those two. So if we put a minus sign there and a minus sign there, I get my minus 28x. Okay, so two possible values of x here, and for each of those possible values of x, we need to find two possible values of y. Okay, so here, the value of x is obtained by putting 5x minus 3 equal to 0, because it could be that this bracket is 0. Adding 3 to both sides, 5x is 3, which means that x is 3/5. Or this bracket could be 0, in which case x is equal to 5. Now for each of those, I need to find a y value, and to do that, I'm going to go back to the simpler of my two original equations. Well, I'm going to use this one, y equals 2x minus 7. So let's just write that again. Y is equal to 2x minus 7. Now for this one, when x is 3/5, y is going to be, well, 3/5 is just the same as 0.6, might be easier. Y is going to be 2 lots of 0.6 take away 7. Well, that's 1.2 take away 7, which is equal to minus 5.8. Okay. With this value of x, when x is 5, y is going to be 2 times 5 take away 7. Well, that's 10 take away 7, and 10 take away 7 is 3. Now make sure you pair these up properly. So on your answer line, you can write that x is equal to 0.6, y is equal to minus 5.8. Make sure those go together, or x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3.